Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, so this time we're learning about the moment of inertia for an area by integration. You're like, wait, but the integral was there last time. Yes, but we didn't actually talk about how you can do that integral. So first off, it is most simple to do it where you only have a differential element in one direction. Otherwise, you end up with a double integral, and that's no fun. So make it so that you have some sort of height y with a differential element dx, or some width x with a differential element dy. We've done this before. You're like, aha, I did that for the centroid, and yes, that's the case. Very similar setup goes into this. Now the step-by-step procedure is to first you have to choose vertical or horizontal strip. When you think about that, usually it's best to have a strip that is parallel to the axis you're taking the moment around. So if I have moment around the x-axis, or the moment inertia around the x-axis, I want a horizontal strip. Moment inertia around the y-axis will need a vertical strip. That's just usually, it's not always the case. Second thing is, if y is easily determined in terms of x, you might want to choose a vertical strip with a differential element dx. That could be helpful. Not always, but it's possible. And the second step is going to be to integrate to find the moment inertia. For example, given the element shown in the figure above, right here, well, our moment inertia around the y-axis will be equal to x squared dA. Moment inertia around the x-axis is going to be taken from the parallel axis theorem, actually, so we're not going to worry about that right now. Just forget that one. But we'll look at this one right here. So x squared dA. And what is our element dA? Well, it's going to be y, because it's around the y-axis, so we want an element that is parallel to that, y times the base, which is dx. Okay, now we have this, and if we want to, we can then say, okay, well, what is x squared? Well, it's y minus 1, and then we can plug that in. Or what is y? It's x plus 1. We plug it in, and we can integrate. Being super honest, if you get a super difficult integral, like this integral is just crazy, you probably need to do it in terms of a different strip. So if you chose horizontal, try choosing vertical, or vice versa. This does take some trial and error. You're going to have to practice, and you will get better at it as you go. It can be challenging, but it shouldn't be extremely hard. It seems like it's just impossible to do, or the integrals involve some crazy error function. You've done it wrong, or you're doing it in a way that is just much more difficult than it has to be. So if you get stuck, try switching the angle of the strip. If you did horizontal, go to vertical. For now, you just got to practice. So let's stop here, and next time we'll do an example. Hope this helps you. Bye-bye.